Alright, we're headed off on another adventure. We are headed up 285 just out of Colorado, and we're going to be getting on the road or off the paved roads here once we get to Bailey, Colorado. And we've got a little bit of an overland trip that's going to take us up and over just outside of Fairplay, where we're planning on camping. We're going to go do some hiking and some four-wheeling with the base camp out of there over the next few days. Alright, we turned off just outside of Bailey. We got Aaron is leading the way. He's our trusty tour guide as normal. He has picked us a trail along here. Oh, look at the river. Ooh, I just had a shiny moment. And the horse.
There's a river frolicking through the water.
That's a beautiful river frolicking through the little meadow right there. And I am a meadow maniac. These washboards are not fun. I'm not digging the washboards. Alright, making our way along this horribly washboarded road. And we swapped Tyler and Mommy out.
Oh, 9 square.
Mindy's riding up
Up
front with Aaron, so Tyler can look out the front window because he was getting nauseous, so he had to be a little more cautious. Wellington Lake. That looks cool, all the kayaks out there. It'd be really cool to be out on that water right now. Sign back there said this is a dangerous water crossing. So we're going to see how dangerous here in just a second. What'd you think? Was that a dangerous water crossing?
No.
We've seen worse than that?
Yeah, that was like a puddle.
I guess they have a different idea of what a dangerous water crossing is. Alright, got to put it in four-wheel drive. Help us get up this incline. We pulled into a little off-the-road disperse site to eat lunch. Alright, lunch is complete and we'll get back on the road. Alright, we made it up and over whatever passes those were, I don't know. There was a lot of burnt down forest. And now it looks like we're getting back on some paved road. Cruising down the country roads looking for my mom's land that we're going to hang out at the next couple days. We made it to our base camp at my mom's land near Fairplay, Colorado. The next order of business was getting the trailer backed up this hill, which was an adventure in itself.
This is Eric backing up the trailer into position. Definitely gonna have to put this one in fast motion. Think he'll have it up by dinner time? He's closer than he was about 30 minutes ago. The background music for this one's gonna be.
After we got everything all set up, we settled in and enjoyed checking out my mother's land, as this was our first time here before heading out on day trips over the next couple days to Gibson Lake and Georgia Pass.
Okay, we are at the trailhead for Gibson Lake. It's a 1,500 foot elevation climb. We got here after doing about a 2-mile, fairly easy but really rocky road. Probably any vehicle with a little bit of clearance can do it. So it was a piece of cake. We got Luna with her little daughters, my family, Aaron, and my nephew Jordan. And now this is a 2.4 mile up to the lake and 2.4 miles down. So we'll enjoy it. Nothing like a river crossing. It's a river crossing! Yeah! And so begins the elevation climb and the lack of oxygen as we go up, up, up.
No way.
Tyler says this is a break spot. It's the great forest fallen tree. This is super pretty. Conserve energy. Catching some air. What did that rock ever do to you? Made you trip? Another tree crossing the road. Taking a shortcut. Shortcut. Are we having fun yet?
Yeah.
Yeah? We hear the river ahead. Aaron is getting ready to cross it. He took a detour over to it so we can go down and look at it. Nothing like a mountain stream. River detour complete. Back on the trail.
You can't go around it. You can't go under it. You have to go through it.
Good jump.
We don't do it because it's easy. We do it because it's hard.
One of the few downhill sections. Probably won't last for long. And it didn't. Back up we go. All right, we're still making our way up and we're starting to break out towards timberline. The trees are starting to get more sparse. Yeah. Trees are getting sparser and sparser, getting closer and closer to timberline. That is an awesome view. Another river crossing. That's a gentleman right there, Tyler. The crest, the finale, it's just up ahead, marshy mess. We have made it to Gibson Lake, and Colin, who got here way before us, is way on the other side on top of that rock. I don't know if you can see him in the video. That water is super clear. Gibson Lake. And the crazy kid up there. Good job finding us a epic lunch spot. Alright, made it stop Gibson Lake. Now we are headed back. And now a less strenuous journey back down. A little less than a mile to go. We're almost down. The final stretch. We made it. You did it, guys. Mission accomplished.
After our hike, we headed back to camp and captured these amazing sunset photos. The next day, it was time to check out Georgia Pass. This off-road trail was once a popular route for miners to reach Breckenridge in the 1860s. The eastern side of the pass is very easy and just basically a dirt road. The western side, on the other hand, was a little more challenging, but still doable in most stock high-clearance 4x4s.
We're cruising up Georgia Pass. Very easy, but really bumpy. We're headed down the back side towards Breckenridge side of Georgia Pass. It's not difficult, but very steep. Pretty fun. enjoying this trail. What about you?
I am definitely enjoying this trail.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty scenic.
I found the Sasquatch.
All right, made a quick pit stop for some lunch.
Down by the river.
Tyler is taking us on an adventure. Finished Georgia Pass. We are now headed back over Boreas Pass, and it's pretty sweet. Also really easy though. What do you think, Tyler?
It's nice. Good scenery.
Good scenery. So apparently Boreas Pass used to be a railroad. What do you think about that, Tyler?
We finished off Boreas Pass and headed back to camp. This was our last evening before heading on our next adventure, rafting down the Green River in Dinosaur National Monument. Keep a lookout for that video in the near future.